Reaching out to users with cloud messaging. In this section, we're going to take a look at what cloud messaging is and why we want to use it, and then how to send cloud messages from the Firebase console. Introducing Firebase Cloud Messaging. In this video, we're going to take a look at what Firebase Cloud Messaging is and the general purpose of cloud messaging. Firebase Cloud Messaging is an easy way to connect with your users. Cloud messaging sends push notifications to your users to tell them about a new feature they might want to use, or perhaps as a wake-up call when they left your app sitting silently for way too long in their app drawer. In either case, you'll be using this to make your users feel important, like your app is truly for them. Messages can be constructed manually in the Firebase console, or be automated with Firebase Cloud Functions, which we'll be doing later on.